Guys, welcome back to our Preet Codes. Today I was thinking that I have only been doing hardcore episodes only. So I thought today I would do be something else, but it will be survival only. As you know that you might not know, but I've been playing on Mindplex. Mindplex is also it's a server which is available in every mobile and laptop. There are other servers too: Galaxite, Mindville, Lifeboat, Cubecraft, The Hive, or Mindplex, which I will be playing today. Well, let's join in to see what we have. Also, is a very great server. It even though does not have a bed war and the stuff, but it is very good. It has also one more thing. We have joined in now. Yeah, this is the thing I've been talking about: survival. Even though Mindplex, some of you have played Mindplex a lot, and might have played survival, but survival, even though you might think that survival is boring, I've been playing it. It's very good. So first, just join in. Also, yeah, you might be thinking, oh my god, diamond tools and stuff. Well, I did not do it on my own. I had also other stuff, but I will not be doing episodes as only a few people on this server requested me, as I'm duper. A duper is a person who dupes things. Like I have two of these, right? I can turn this into three by doing a process. Oh my god, the cross. I don't know why that cross scares me sometimes. But yeah, today I some people requested. So today I will be teaching how to, you know, what do you call it? Also, this is my friend. No, not my friend. I I because all but due to some glitch that uh, this all of the skins will turns into Steve's. Just wait a minute. I am just gonna talk to him a little bit, and I will be back. So yeah, guys. So yeah, I have talked to him now. He said that he will not disturb me. So yeah, you might be thinking, how do I know him when you said that you are not actually friend? Well, actually, everyone in this server are at least friends. This server also has a Discord, but the Discord don't know why it doesn't work for me. But I make friends like these with the talking with chat. So yeah, as I was saying, today I will be teaching requesters of this server. I will be teaching them how to dupe. First things first, we need to make I already set up. So first thing first, look. First we need to do is head to a place in our normal server. This is not my normal server. The normal server is actually survival server 15. If you want to play with me, just ask a person to let him go to survival server 15, and you will meet me. Just request to me. Also, first thing first, let's go to my house. I have actually many things like the vault. I have vaults and shops and other stuff. So what we need to go here, as this is my main base of operations. This is my main base of operations. You might be thinking, wow, that's a lot of shulkers. Yeah, that is because these are some from giveaways and some are gifts, while some of them are duped. You look at this. This is called a mega box. A mega box is a type of box which is very very powerful, as it has shulkers inside of shulkers. You might be thinking that's impossible. Well, in this server everything is possible, kind of ish. So first thing first, I will tell you the name of the requester. Her slash his name, I don't know what gender it is. Well, her name is Cookie Place. I will I but she so The requester asked how to dupe, so I will show you how. So first things first, we take any box. I will take the mega box. Then I have already made the homes. They go anywhere which is unclaimed, or you have to claim the land so you can use it. So first things first, go find an empty place where nobody is interrupting you. Then go tap on the command block. You might be thinking that it must open this one, but actually whatever block you hold first, it will after you tap the command block, it will always open to that one. So now let's go to homes. I have first set this home, then another home called duping. You can make any home, but it has to be, but the condition is that it has to be in different servers. Like this is server 15, I was on server 8. It is like that. So let's go to duping and teleport to home. Why? As soon as you tap it, start spamming. And look, you still have the box. And when we go back to our second vault, you will see that the box is still here. Though sometimes it will glitch out and don't go. You have to exactly spam it before that thing teleporting, before your screen takes over by the loading screen. But you have to tap it exactly as soon as you do that. Let me try again. I will show you again. Let's go to our duping and teleport home and start spamming. Let's see. Oh, wait, there's sometimes a glitch which causes it to make your homes disappear, but don't worry, they're still here. Just close it and reopen it. Don't panic. Go back. Wrong thing. Yeah, the second vault. Let's go back. Dang it. Then let's try again, but this time I will be careful. Don't worry. I'm still doing it. It's sometime in the first 2-3 tries it will take some time, but don't worry. It will not happen that it's not working, I'm giving up. Don't give up that easily, or else you will never learn. Okay. So now again and again, spam. It will not happen. Let's try it over here so it works. Now let's go back to the second vault and quickly spam. Let's try again, as I need many copies of this box actually. So duping. Go back. Place it early. Also, don't start spamming before you say teleport. Before you tap teleport to home, or else it will just place the box down and don't work. So yeah, go. It sometimes doesn't work, I don't know why. Go back. Duping 2. I mean, you might be saying duping 2. Why are you going to do duping 2? Well, any server works, but it has to be different. Okay? So, teleport home. Spam. Let's see. Let's go back to duping. And see. Oh, come on. Why don't you work? Sorry guys, had to go. So let's try again. But I would recommend you that you should practice the fingers, as you need to tap quickly as possible. Let's go back to second vault. Teleport to home. Yes, now it will work. See, it happened before that came. So now let's go back to duping and you will see that there's another one. Wait, what? Is the server lagging or what? I think the server is lagging, as this does not happen all the time. Let's try again. See, it took some time to open that. Its server is lagging very lot. Let's go back. The wall. This time, let's try the vault. I will show you the vault if it doesn't work. Yes, it will work now. I hope. Yeah, let's first see this, as I don't want to, bore by doing this all the time. This is my other vault. It filled up. This vault filled up, so I made the second vault. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff. Also, this redstone compression was for very later purposes. So yeah, now let's go back. View homes, duping. Yes, now you can see. Now you can see that there are 2 boxes, and they don't worry, it will not be empty. You can see that there are everything is filled. This and this. See? So this is how you can dupe. I will just give you another replay. First, make 2 different homes and different servers. Then go to the home you made. Teleport to home. Spam quickly. Then go back. As you can see, there are 2. This is not mine. This is not my house. This is somebody else's. This is just that friends make houses at each other so we can meet ourselves. Them actually. So yeah, let's go back to duping, and you will see that now we had 2. Oh, come on, man! But still, you saw that I had made, instead of 1, I have 2 now, and I did not do any cutting. You will see that I had paused the video, but no, I did not. So this is legitimate. So yeah, guys, thanks for now you have learned to dupe. Also send me clips of your videos. Also send me clips. I will make a Discord invite link. You can also join my Discord. It is don't worry about the name, as it was an early server which was I'm a fan, as you can see my nightmare skin. But still, join my Discord. Send me clips that you have learned to dupe, or was there some problem, and I will resolve it quickly as possible. See to it. Comment, like and subscribe, and also have fun. See you guys later. And also join this server, and tell me also if you want to want me to dupe for you, just because if just in case you don't know how to dupe and you can't learn, you could just ask me and I will do it for you. I will also saying the server name, my Mindplex Survival 15. Then ask any person about Mastercaster 490, and then if you want to be my friend, do /friend here. Do /friend. This will be here, and add a friend. Now then type my name, Mastercaster 490. Remember to, as you might not know this, but caps and numbers do matter. You cannot just write Mastercaster and done. You need to type the full name in caps and everything, and you can be my friend. Okay, so bye guys, have fun, see you later. I will also do giveaways. So if you are if you are newly joined, I will give you some boxes, or mega boxes or anything, or shulkers which have stuff in them. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. See you later and have a great day.